Now in this video we have to solve this system of equation. Here number of equations are 3, 1, 2, 3, and number of unknowns are 3. That is here x, y and z. We can say 1 by x, 1 by y and 1 by z. So here in place of x they write 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z in place of x1, x2, x3. So I have to solve this system of equation. Here the matrix form of the system is first step A x equal to b. So here this is my coefficient matrix, that is coefficient of 1 by x means this is first entry minus 1. Coefficient of 1 by y means this is 3, and coefficient of 1 by z means this is 4. And now come to the second equation. Coefficient of 1 by x this is 3, coefficient of 1 by y 2, and coefficient of 1 by z that is minus 1. This is coefficient of 1 by x 2, coefficient of 1 by y minus 1, and this is coefficient of 1 by z that is 2. Now write here this is x means column vector of unknown. So here write this 1 by x as 1 by x, that is because here in this equation 1 by x, 1 by y and 1 by z are the unknowns. So there 1 by x, 1 by y and 1 by z. Now this is equal to constant vector, that is 30, 9 and 10. Now this is my matrix form of my system Ax equal to b. Now next step is to convert now write this matrix Ax equal to b into the A augmented matrix B. Now here A is given, write A minus 1, 3, 4, this is 30, this is 3, 2, minus 1, this is 9. Now come to here 2, minus 1, 2, this is 10. Now I want to convert this minus 1 into 1. So this is the first non-zero entry from left of row R1. I want to convert this minus 1 into 1. Here I am applying first elementary operation minus 1 to the row R1. Here I get the resultant matrix as here 1, minus 3, minus 4, that is minus 13. Now here second row as it is 3, 2, minus 1, 9. Third row as it is 2, minus 1, 2, 10. Now here this is my 1. I want to convert this 3 and 2 is into 0. Here I am applying the elementary row operation as here R2 changes to R2 minus 3 times R1, and R3 changes to R3 minus 2 times R1. Here I get the resultant matrix as first row as it is 1, minus 3, minus 4, this is minus 30. Now second row, this is 3 minus 3 times 1, 3 minus 3 0, 2 minus minus plus 9, so simply 11. Here 1 minus 1 plus 12, that is simply 11. Here 9 minus minus plus 30, 9 minus minus plus 3 means this 30 into this 3 90, 90 plus 9 99. Now here 2 minus 2 times 1 0. Here minus 1 plus 6, that is 5. Here 2 minus minus plus 2, that is 10. Here 2 plus 10. Now here 10 minus minus plus 60, that is 70. Now come to the now this is my matrix. Now here this 0, this 3 and 2 is converted into 0. Now I want to convert this 11 into 1. Here I am dividing the entire row R2 by 1 by 11. Here I get the resultant matrix as this is 1, minus 3, minus 4, this is minus 30. Now second row 0, 1, 1, that is 9. Here 0, 5, 10, this is 70. Now I want to convert this 5 into 0. Here I am applying the elementary row operation as R3 changes to R3 minus 5 times R1. 5 times R2. Here I get the resultant matrix as first row is as it is 1, minus 3, minus 4, that is minus 30. Here second row 0, 1, 1, 9. Now third row 0 minus 5 times 0, that is 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, this is 0. 10 minus 5, that is simply 5 here. Now 70 minus 45, here this is 70 minus 45, this is 5, and here this is 3. Sorry, 70 minus here 25, this is 5, and here 6 25, this is 25, here 25. Now I want to convert this 5 into 1. Here I am applying elementary row operation as 1 by 5 times R3. Here I get the resultant matrix as 1 minus 3 minus 4, that is minus 30. Now second row 0, 1, 1, 9. Here this is 0, 0, 1, and this is 5. Here you can observe one thing. This is my matrix A. Here this is my matrix A, and this whole is my matrix A augmented matrix B. So this is my matrix A, and rank of this matrix is 3, and this is my matrix A augmented matrix B, and rank of this whole matrix is here, that is 3. Therefore rank of A is same as here. Therefore rank of A is same as rank of A augmented matrix B, which is same as 3, which is equal to number of unknown. So in this case my system has unique solution. Therefore system has unique solution. So now write the corresponding system of equation. Therefore the corresponding system of equation, that is corresponding system of equation. Here this is x minus, that is here I am writing here 1 by x minus 3 by y, here minus 4 by z equal to minus 30. Now come to here 1 by y plus 1 by z equal to 9, and this is 1 by z equal to 5. Here this 1 by z equal to 5, from this here I get z equal to 1 by 5. Now put this 1 by z equal to 5 in this equation. From here I get 1 by y equal to 9 minus 1 by z, which is equal to 9 minus 1 by z is 5, which is equal to 4. Therefore from this y equal to 1 by 4, and we can put here a value of 1 by y and 1 by z in this equation. From here I get 1 by x equal to minus 30 plus 3 by y plus 4 by z. Here this is equal to minus 30 plus 3 times here 1 by y means here just put 1 by y as 4 plus 4 times 1 by z is, this is 1 by z is just simply 5, this is 5. Here minus 30 plus 12 plus this is 20. Here from here this is equal to that is minus 30 plus 12 minus 18 plus 20, which is equal to 2. Here 1 by x equal to 2. This implies here can I write x equal to 1 by 2. So x equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 4 and z equal to 1 by 5 is the solution of my given system. Here I will write the solution. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 4 and z equal to 1 by 5 is the solution of my given system of equation. Thank you.